to turn on or turn off smoke and fire alarm detection in sound notification. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Open settings, brand notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap hearing aid support. Tap sound notifications, and then tap open sound notifications. Select edit sound types, and then on smoke and fire alarms, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until green to turn off. Okay, tap switch until blue to turn on or tap switch until green to turn off. Okay, and then you must turn on sound notification to listening smoke and fire alarms. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.